I just had the most awkward and intense encounter that I have ever had living out of my car. As you guys can imagine, I've been everywhere in this thing, whether it's a Walmart parking lot, a Planet Fitness, a parking garage, a street corner. It doesn't matter, I've parked there. And I'm very conscious of where I park. I don't want to be in someone's front yard. I don't want to be anywhere that's private property. I am very aware of where I'm leaving my vehicle, and I always try and be respectful. And that's what I've been doing for the past 4 weeks. I've been parking in a public parking lot, somewhere that nobody owns. Only the city has jurisdiction over this area. But I found out today that that is not the case, bro. Apparently, when it comes to surfing in Southern California, these areas are like gang territory. They are absolutely ruled by the people who rule them. And ironically, the ruler is the person who I just talked about yesterday, Steve, the 60-year-old self-appointed mayor of Tourmaline. This old-ass guy who just apparently has been coming there for the past 30 years, and all he does is just walk around, talk to surfer babes, smoke cigs, and direct the traffic. So here's how it all began. I wake up in the morning. I'm in the usual parking spot that I'm always in. Never heard nothing about this being a bad spot to be in. I go through my morning routine. I dive in the ocean. I'm swimming around. I come out, shower off, have breakfast, and I'm driving out of the parking lot like I always do. And then boom, right in front of me is the first Tesla Cybertruck that I have ever seen in the wild.
Sure? Yeah.
And obviously this thing looks ridiculous. I don't know if you guys know what it looks like, but it is literally like a comic book car just right there in front of me. So obviously I'm pulling over, I put on my hazards, I'm out of the way of traffic, like everyone can still move about freely in the parking lot, and I'm taking pictures of this Cybertruck, just in awe. And all of a sudden, bam, right in my face is Steve, toothless, about my height, eye to eye with me. And he's like, you gotta move your car. You can't leave your car there. And I'm like, whoa, okay. And I snap one more picture and I walk away. And now I'm in the driver's seat of my car and my windows are down. And he walks right up to the window. And he's like, I don't know what you think you've been doing for the past few weeks, but you can't park in that spot. That spot is reserved for pro surfers. I don't know what you think you are, but you are not that. You need to be in the back of the parking lot where you belong. And I'm just thinking to myself, holy shit. I had no idea. Everyone for the past 4 weeks has been nothing but friendly to me, just chopping it up, very chill. And now all of a sudden Steve is over here coming at me like some kind of career criminal, telling me that I have been doing the wrong thing this whole time and that I need to step down. And it was so confrontational, so aggressive, so just full blown, I'm gonna intimidate you and you're gonna listen to what I'm saying because I am the mayor here. I run this territory and you are not allowed there. So I don't say anything because I know this. Like, I obviously understand that this man has been here for decades. He understands the culture. He understands what goes, what doesn't. And he obviously has way more people on his side than I do. And I'm like partially shocked, just tailing between my legs, like white-faced, just holy fuck moment. But I'm also kind of like, dude, this makes sense. Like, surfing is extremely territorial, especially in Southern California. Like, if you're not a local and the other surfers know that, they will have no problem telling you, hey bro, this is our wave. Get the fuck out of here. Like, go to some noob wave over on the north side of California. Just get the hell out of here. But I found it funny because Steve never surfs. He's never in the water. All he does is smoke cigs and talk to women. And he's over here talking to me as if like I'm some kind of idiot and I have no fucking clue. I had no idea. Like, all he had to say was, hey bro, that spot is for good surfers. You're not a good surfer. You need to be in the back of the parking lot where you belong. But he came at me so aggressive. So yeah, if you guys can't tell, I'm kind of worked up about this. It was like a really weird moment, super uncomfortable to realize that apparently all these people, or at least Steve, has been looking at me as like intrusive, disrespectful, and I had no idea, dude. I just feel so out of place. I probably won't be sleeping at Tourmaline Surf Park anymore. But damn, man, it was so fucking awkward. Like, I didn't say a single word to this guy. He just went in on me. But it is what it is. The rest of the day has been going good. I just got done with a meeting with this other videographer. We're filming the video, baby, mid-February. It's going to be great. We got the script done. We got actors. We got locations. And that really helped me get my mind off of all this. And it just goes to show that sometimes in life, there's more shit going on than you think there is. And maybe that's why people treat you the way they do. Who knows, bro? I am not about to get my car keyed over this. I'm going to leave Steve and his surfer babes and the pro surfers to what they got going on. Fuck, man. But hey, at least I saw a Tesla Cybertruck, dude.
Let's try the right. Try that one, really? Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Oh, man.
Damn.